As the sun rises over Monteverde, a world of natural wonders awakens in Selvatura Park. Here, each step reveals a new story, each breath connects with nature. The excitement soars as you glide through the skies. Our zip-line tour takes you flying over the forest in an adventure that beats to the rhythm of your heart. On the hanging bridges, time slows down. Each step immerses you in the living history of Monteverde, a lesson whispered by ancient trees. The sloth sanctuary reminds us of the importance of every creature. Here, life flows with a calm that teaches and captivates. In our butterfly garden, nature unfolds its colors. And in the reptile exhibition, the hidden diversity of Monteverde is revealed. At Selvatura, every adventure supports our conservation philosophy. More than 300 souls working together, touching the lives of over 1,000 families, and thousands of visitors in a symbiotic dance of sustainability and community, reconnecting people with nature. Selvatura Park is not just a destination, it's a journey to the essence of life, where each step is a discovery, each moment, a treasure. Join us in this sustainable adventure, and be part of the magic of Selvatura Park in Monteverde.